Here is Learn English Up, where your English levels up. Real-life English conversations.
Hey, I'm Max. In this video, I'm going to teach you real-life English step by step using short, practical conversations on different everyday topics. Let's get started. Good morning. Can I get a double shot latte, please?
Morning. Sure thing. Tall, grande, or venti?
Grande, please.
Great. What kind of milk would you like? Regular or plant-based?
Oat milk, please.
Absolutely. Anything to eat with that?
Yes, I'll take a gluten-free croissant, please. And do you have any savory snacks?
We do. There's a spinach and feta muffin or a small quiche today.
Great, I'll have the muffin too. Oh, and could I get chai latte for my friend? I'm not sure if it's made the same here as back home.
No problem. We make it with black tea, steamed milk, and our house spices. Slightly different than some regions, but it's tasty.
Perfect. And could I add a pump of vanilla syrup to mine?
Of course. Would you like whipped cream on top?
No thanks, just as it is.
Got it. That'll be 1 double shot latte with oat milk and vanilla, a gluten-free croissant, a spinach and feta muffin, and a chai latte. Anything else?
No, that's all, thanks.
You're welcome. That'll be $18.50. We accept card or cash.
Card is fine. Also, is tipping customary here?
A small tip is appreciated but not required. Most people leave around 10%.
Perfect, thanks for explaining.
My pleasure. Your order will be ready shortly.
Hey, is the seat taken?
No, go ahead.
Thanks, I'm Max. This place has such a nice atmosphere, don't you think?
Yeah, it's cozy. I love the way the lighting mixes with the windows. It's bright, but still warm.
Exactly. And the smell of coffee with those pastries, I couldn't resist coming here today. By the way, what are you working on?
Oh, just a little writing project for school. What about you?
I'm planning a small photography exhibition. I always find cafes inspiring for ideas.
Really? That's cool. Do you often come here to work?
Yeah, whenever I need some creative energy. Hey, did you notice that little cozy nook by the bookshelf? That's my favorite spot.
I saw it. Looks perfect for focusing. I might try it next time.
You should. Anyway, I don't want to keep you too long, but it was really nice chatting. Maybe I'll see you around here again?
Definitely. It was nice meeting you, Max. Enjoy your coffee.
Thanks. You too. See you next time. Oh no, excuse me, I need some help.
Oh, what happened? Are you okay?
I'd spilled my coffee. It's all over the table and a bit on my laptop. I'm so sorry.
Don't worry. I'll clean this up.
Thanks, so kind of you. Could I get another latte, please?
Of course. I'll bring a fresh one right away. Are you okay with your laptop?
Yeah, luckily just a little splash. Really appreciate your help.
No problem. So everything's taken care of now.
Yes, thank you so much. Again, so sorry about that.
It's fine. These things happen. Enjoy your new latte.
Hi, good morning. I ordered a cappuccino a few minutes ago, but it's a bit cold.
Oh, I'm so sorry to hear that. I really apologize for the inconvenience. Let me get a fresh one for you immediately. Would you like a pastry on the side while you wait?
That would be great, thanks.
Here you go, a fresh cappuccino, nice and hot. And please enjoy this croissant on the house for the trouble.
Wow, thank you. That's very kind.
I appreciate your patience. Is there anything else I can do for you?
No, this is perfect. By the way, I really love how cozy this cafe is. The atmosphere is amazing.
Thank you so much. I'm so glad you enjoyed it. I'll be sure to pass your compliment on to our kitchen staff.
Hey, how's it going?
Good, thanks. What can I get for you today?
I was thinking of getting a latte. Can I customize it a bit?
Yeah, of course. What would you like to change?
Oat milk instead of regular and extra hot if possible.
No problem. Any sweetener?
Yeah, just a little sweeter than usual. Could you add 1 pump of caramel?
Sure.
Great. And I'll also take the avocado toast. Leave the onions out and dressing on the side, please.
Sounds good. Anything else for you today?
Nope, that's it.
All set. You can take a seat and I'll bring it over shortly.
Awesome. Thanks so much.
You're welcome.
If you want to learn English for other real-life situations too, like airports, restaurants, or daily conversations, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. It really helps the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.